Oh, Culloden, it's Jock here in Scotland again. I'm sitting in my cottage here by the fire, and I've got my old poker work, my old Honor poker work out the cupboard, and I thought I'd get a bit of an airing. I usually keep that for playing any Jacobite songs when I'm sitting doodling a lot myself. And all you Jacobites out there will ken this one. And what I'll do is I'll put in the wee description, you know, of the words so that you ken it yourself. Come now, gather now, here where the flowers grow, white as a blossom of snow on the ben. Here now, freedom's call, we'll make a solemn vow, now by the roses o' Prince Charlie. Fight again at Bannockburn, your battle axe to wield, fight with your grandsires at Flodden's bloody field, fight at Culloden, the bonny prince to shield, fight by the roses o' Prince Charlie. Spirits o' the banished in far and distant lands, carved out the new world with sweat, blood and hand, return now in glory's silver hand, fight by the roses o' Prince Charlie. Come now, gather now, here where the flowers grow, white as the blossom and snow on the ben. Here now, freedom's call, we'll make a solemn vow, now by the roses o' Prince Charlie. Thank your strength for the green fields and blanket beaten snow, ships for the Clyde have nations in their hold, the water of life some men need to take them bold, black golden fishes for the seaman. Come now, gather now, here where the flowers grow, while all the blossom and snow on the ben. Here now, freedom's call, we'll make a solemn vow, now by the roses o' Prince Charlie. Not really a song, that it's merely a battle cry, you know, like a toast at the big hullabaloos, you know. Let's go into battle, lads. Well, I might well I knew and see what else I could rake up along the old Jacobite field. I'm quite sure all you folk out there all ken what a Jacobite is. If you just type it into Google, you'll find out all about it. That's what I'm a Jacobite. That's why I wear the white cockade. And if you look up on the internet, you'll find out all about the white cockade also. Well, I'll bid you toodaloo the new, and we'll see you again.